Hello guys, let's start with another reading paragraph. Firstly, we need to read the whole paragraph and then we'll try to solve it. Now, at the beginning, there is adolescent teenage are given. Your teenage daughter. Then we start with here. Where is first blank? Position of the first blank. How can teens be so clever, accomplished? Accomplished means skillful in any particular thing. They are clever, they are accomplished and responsible and reckless, and then the blank position is given. Now we need to find a word which best suit in this position. How can teens? They are clever, they are accomplished, they are responsible, they are reckless, dash. Adolescent, it will not make any sense here. Not adult, respectively, no, sir, at the same time, maybe, development, developing. Now there are not any other word which makes good sense here. We only left with at the same time. So this is our first. This is first. They are trying to say that how the teens can be clever, accomplished. They are clever, accomplished, they are responsible, and they are reckless at the same time. And then question mark. Now, second, easily, according to two physicians at Children's Hospital Boston and Harvard Medical School who have here is physicians. There are two physicians, so we use have been. This means we need to find verb either in third form or ing form. We have this third form ing and then ing. Now who have been dash. Now the whole passage in present tense, so ed is past tense, we can't use this. So we left with exploring and developing. Now physicians, who is used for physicians. Physicians have been dash the unique structure and chemistry of the dash brain. Physicians have been developing or physicians have been exploring the unique culture. Which one make good sense? Exploring. Physicians have been exploring because they are not developing the uh, structure of the brain. They were exploring. They are talking about this, how they can be clever, they can be accomplished, they are responsible, they are reckless, and they are trying to figure out this thing. They have been exploring. This is our second, exploring. Now the unique structure and chemistry of the dash brain, either adolescent brain or adult brain. But we are talking in this passage, we are talking about teenagers. Here teenage is given, here teens are given. So adolescents is best option for this blank because adult are the people who are 18 plus of age and adolescents are with 13 to 17 plus age. So adolescent is best for this. So third is adolescent. This is our third. Now we need to find fourth. It's a paradoxical time of dash. Paradoxical time of respectively, no. Paradoxical time of surf, no. Paradoxical type of development, maybe. Now contraction, paradoxical time of chemical content. It does not make any. There is only one word which fit here best, which is development. It's a paradoxical time of development. This is your fourth. Now we left with last. These are people with very dash brain. These is used for teenage or teens. These are people with very dash brains, very sharp brains. This is our fifth. So we have this is first. This is have been exploring, and this is our third adolescent brain. This is our fourth paradoxical time of development. This is fifth very sharp brain. It's a collocation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.